Rich people don't buy expensive things to impress people. They buy things that quietly make them richer. That's the difference almost nobody notices. It's one of the biggest reasons they stay wealthy while everyone else is running a race they can't win. They aren't playing the same game you are. They're playing the long game. To understand this, we have to look past the surface. We have to look at the psychology of the purchase itself. Because money isn't just math, it's behavior. Pure and simple. The wealthy view every dollar as a soldier that can be sent out to capture more soldiers. But most people, they treat their dollars like fuel to be burned for a moment of heat. Most people buy liabilities, things that lose value the moment they become yours. They are the anchors that hold your net worth down while you try to swim toward freedom. Take a luxury car. The second it leaves the lot, it's worth 20% less. You're paying interest on a shrinking asset. That's a double loss that the rich simply avoid. We buy these things to signal status to strangers we don't even like. It's a high price to pay for a temporary ego boost that leaves your future bank account empty and cold. Then there are the hidden liabilities. Subscriptions, memberships, and small luxuries that bleed your wealth one drip at a time. It's death by 1,000 paper cuts. The dopamine hit of a new purchase lasts minutes. The financial consequence lasts years. This is the consumerist trap designed to keep you on the treadmill forever. The wealthy buy assets. They look for things that continue paying them long after they've bought them. They don't just buy stuff, they buy income streams. When a rich person buys a stock, they aren't gambling on a price. They're buying a piece of a cash flow machine, a machine that works 24/7 while they sleep. They buy real estate for the rent. Someone else pays the mortgage, someone else builds their equity, and they collect the profit. It's leverage in its purest form. They invest in businesses. They own the systems that produce value, rather than being the ones working inside them. They own the engine of production itself. And they value intellectual property, software, patents, and content that can be sold 1,000,000 times without any extra cost. This is how wealth scales without limits. The goal isn't just to have money, it's to have money that makes more money. That's the power of compounding that Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. Most people think about insurance after disaster strikes. The wealthy think about it first. They build a fortress long before the first storm cloud arrives. They don't see insurance as an expense. They see it as risk management. It's the difference between losing everything and having a minor manageable setback. Whether it's life, health, or liability insurance, they ensure that one bad day can't wipe out decades of work. They protect the downside so the upside can take care of itself. This is about legacy. Insurance and trusts ensure that wealth doesn't just last for one generation. It builds a foundation for the next. They think in centuries, not weeks. The richest people don't just invest money. They buy back their time. Because time is the only asset that is truly non-renewable and finite. By hiring experts and using automation, they free themselves from $20 tasks so they can focus on the $10,000 decisions. They buy their freedom. They don't work for money. Money works to buy them freedom. They automate their lives so they can live them on their own terms. They own their schedule. Most people try to save money by doing everything themselves. The wealthy know that doing it yourself is often the most expensive way to live. It's a false economy. When you buy back your time, you're buying the ability to think, to create, and to build. That is where the real generational wealth is truly generated. Every purchase asks you one question: will this pay me back? Or will it only make me look successful? It's a simple binary test for every dollar you earn. It's the battle of delayed gratification, choosing the freedom of tomorrow over the shiny toy of today. Most people fail this test because they prioritize today's comfort. The wealthy run every decision through this filter. They don't see a $100 pair of shoes. They see $10,000 in potential future wealth lost to time. True wealth is what you don't see. It's the businesses, the real estate, and the portfolios. It is never the flashy car in the driveway or the watch on the wrist. Financial freedom isn't about being able to buy anything. It's about being able to do anything. It's about owning your life, your time, and your future. That's the goal. The wealthy don't buy to impress strangers. They buy freedom, cash flow, and time. They buy opportunities that keep paying them back month after month. That's the secret. Before your next purchase, ask yourself, does this pay me back, or does it only look good? Your answer to that question will determine your financial destiny. Choose wisely. Financial education is the ultimate asset. Follow Factly as we decode the secrets of the world's most successful people. We are here to help you build your future. The truly wealthy also invest in private equity, buying into companies before they ever hit the public market. They buy early, they buy big, and they buy for the long haul. Think of your investments like a forest. You plant the seeds today so you can sit in the shade tomorrow. The best time to plant was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. So here is your checklist. Prioritize assets, protect your downside with insurance, buy back your time, and master your money psychology. This is how you win. Build your wealth. Build your freedom. Follow Factly for more. We'll see you in the next one. Take control of your future today.